Hello and welcome back to another KDP income report video. And as you read in the title, I will show you how much I made in April 2022. And before we start, make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell to never miss any future video. So I'm gonna go to KDP Report, and as you can see, this is how many books I currently selling. Let me select the last month, which is this is the last month without selection. I selected before. Let me select it once again, and as you can see, this is how many books I sell in the last month. And as you can see, this is my best day. I sell 15 books, and that's because one of my books had someone ordered 10 copies of my of my of, m- of one of my books, and that's it. Let me show you how much money I made from this order from this books. Let me select last month. This month I just made $13. Let me select the last month, and as you can see, I made $102. I am happy about this result, and let me show you how much money I made in the lifetime of my account. So in the lifetime I made $1,001 and $29. So that's it for this video. I hope you like it, and see you in the next video. Peace.